Hey, what's up to everybody out there? If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right there. And today, this video, I feel like I'm going to release some of my black girl magic. Now, for those of you who might remember, my very first video was an African Queen air freshener that I made, and part of the title was Black Girl Magic. I think from now on, when I get into the spirit of doing some Afrocentric things, I think I'm going to title that my Black Girl Magic videos. So you guys keep an eye out for those. Let's go ahead and get into this video so I can show you how I made these beautiful accessories. I got these pair of earrings from my local beauty supply store. They only cost $2 each. And I'm going to spray paint these earrings and give them a whole new look, a fresher look.
Let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again, so sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all, beat all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat a ball, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it.
For this next project, I'm thinking bling. Lots and lots of bling. Because you know, some days your girl be feeling a little sparkly. So I'm going to take these rhinestones that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to decorate some earrings and a sweatshirt with them. I finally went to the store and got me some E6000 glue. My last couple of videos, I was recommending to you guys to use E6000 glue, but I was using a hot glue gun instead because I was too lazy to go to the store and go get my own E6000 glue. But I'm on top of it this time. At the last minute, I decided to freehand this design with some chalk. I was going to trace it with a stencil, but it was being too complicated.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off.
And if I make a mistake, I just wet a towel and wipe the chalk away and start all over again. So it's very easy. I forgot to mention that these rhinestones have a special glue on the back of them, so when you apply heat to it, the glue will stick to fabric. Now once you put heat to these rhinestones, they're stuck to the fabric, so it's very important that you take your time with this. I did no more than 10 rhinestones at a time and then ironed it down, because if you make a mistake, it's very difficult to get these rhinestones out. So make sure it's even, apply the towel, put the heat, and check frequently to make sure that the rhinestones stayed in place.
Feels like
I got this drawstring bag from Dollar Tree. They do sell plain bags, but for some reason I could not find a plain one in black. So I'm going to take this one and spray paint it black.
Let it go. And I start to believe in myself. And life will be sweet again.
For this technique, I'm going to use parchment paper and cooking spray, and that is going to keep my letters from sticking to the paper. Trust me, you about to see what I'm talking about. Okay, when it comes time to paint these letters, you have many different options. You can go out and get you some paint. However, you will need at least 7 different shades of paint. Or you could do it my way. I figured I already have all these shades of eyeshadow. I'm going to try that with some nail polish. I made the mistake of mixing all of my colors when I should have did them one at a time so that way they don't dry out. So don't you do that. And if you mess up on any of the letters, just use some nail polish remover to clean it. Very easy. And I topped the letters off with this clear acrylic sealer, just to keep the paint from chipping. Speaking of chipping, I was already having problems with this black spray painted side chipping away. So I decided to glue my letters to the back side of the bag.
Above it all, beat all my challenges, search for my strength. I defeat a ball, I never ever gonna hide no more. I got to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go.
And like always, thank you guys for watching. Please feel free to comment below and let me know what you think about my Black Girl Magic crafts that I did today. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.